Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to see how to make badusha. So the badusha or badushahi is a Indian subcontinent sweet. It's similar like a small glazed donut and soft and juicy inside with a sugar syrup and flaky and crispy outside. This unique sweet is origin from the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. So friend, they have different name for this similar sweet. And in south they call badusha and in north they call badushahi. It's simple recipe, but you won't regret. This recipe is amazing and it never failed. So all you need is a 4 cup all-purpose flour, half cup milk, half cup water, 1 cup ghee, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Friends, so this is the ingredient. So all the simple ingredient you need to make this amazing sweet at home, no time friends. So friends, whoever not subscribe my channel, please do click that subscribe now, click that bell button to get the notification. So first we're going to make the sugar syrup. So I have the 1.5 cup of water, 3 cup sugar, cardamom, crushed cardamom, and a little squeeze of lemon juice. So friends, please check the description below to get the how to make the sugar syrup. This is the consistency we want, little sticky, and that's good enough. Make sure all dissolve nicely. We adding the lemon juice for the to prevent the crystallize. Now I'm just adding that saffron stems. So let's see how to make the dough. So I have the 4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida or tapangan dough. So it's all you need this much 4 cup, and then we're going to knead it this dough to get the nice consistent. It's very little hard consistent. So I'm just adding the 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and now I'm adding the melted ghee or clarified butter. Friends, please check out the description below to find out how to make homemade ghee at your home, no time friend. So we're going to mix all the ingredient until we get that the breadcrumbs texture. Now I'm making a well, so we're going to pour all that liquid. So I have a half cup milk, so I'm going to mix all together nice and slow. So we just mix all ingredient together. The ghee smells so good, so this is the main ingredient to make the delicious homemade sweet. So I'm now adding the remaining half cup water. This is sufficient. You no need to add any extra excess water or liquid, because the dough should be very hard and stiff, because we're going to keep kneading until we get that the soft consistent dough. And once we're going to set about half an hour, and I'm showing how to get that the flaky texture the inside the sweet. So I'm just giving nice punch, and now I'm giving rolling and roll it. You can see it's already nice layer form. Let me show you guys. It's really layer already have that's a flaky texture give to inside the sweet, and really helping absorb all the sugar syrup, and that's the good part of the sweet. It's the unique of this sweet, that flaky inside. So we're going to roll it until we get that about half inch, and again I'm going to fold it 3-4 times. It's about 8 folding total. So that's it, bring that layer inside the sugar. So please follow this step to get that correct consistent, friends. It's really never fail, but I hope you follow these steps to get that nice consistent, and that texture is really unique. Now I already make it. This is the mold. This is actually a pineapple tart mold, so but I'm using for make this sweet. and it's really looking cute and nice, so I just keep it simple. Another way we can make it from the hand, I just make a ball and then press it down, and I pinch each edge and I fold it. So this is the actual badusha or the sweet. They have different shape or different type of the look of this sweet. It's all up to you how you want. And again, and then other things, you need to make a little hole, not hole, just squeeze in the middle as like a pinch hole. So that's we really need it, because that's helping hold that sugar and helping to during the frying. So I'm just checking the oil. Today I'm using the vegetable oil, sunflower oil. You always can use ghee instead of oil to get the rich flavor of this sweet. So the oil must be medium high, and I'm just put it all together, and we can crowd this sweet and this dough all together, because it's all about cooking in a low, medium, high, and because that's really give that layer inside the sweet and hold that ghee inside the cookie. Do not cook in a high flame temperature, it might burn and ruin this sweet. And just turn over. It's take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete cook this dough to get this crispy texture. So friend, now we're going to place all that fried dough inside the hot sugar syrup that we prepared earlier. So friend, let it soak about 3 to 5 hours or overnight. So it's going to absorb all that sugar and hold that sugar syrup inside, and inside this sweet. It's trap all that sugar juicy inside this sweet. It's simple sweet. Let me show you how it's look inside. It's so crispy and flaky outside and juicy inside, friends. And you can see the layer already there that we made it rolling. The technique easy, just follow this step, and no time you can make this yummy delicious sweet at home. So friend, again look at this, so juicy and sweet syrup is going to trap inside this sugar goodness. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell button to get the notification. So friend, happy Diwali to you and to your family. Have a safe and fantastic Diwali this year. Thank you.